Okay. So, can you find me A?
And this wine. This is a wine.
Okay, perfect.
A wine for these things.
Okay. Can you find me A in these letters?
Yes.
Which one? Okay, no, in this one. Okay, pick this and make the sound for A. A. Perfect. Let's put it here.
A.
So,
I'm going to write a check.
okay, later. Okay, check. Okay, perfect. Check. So, listen carefully. Ball. A. Arrow. Do you think it goes with A?
Yes.
Let's make a line.
We see. Yeah.
Perfect. Let's find D here. In this one. Can you make a sound for D?
Do. Do.
Let's put it here.
It's a correct sound.
We are collecting letters. So put it here. So, okay, listen now carefully. Ball. A. Arrow. Window. Doll. Sun. Which one would you think should go with this? With D.
I don't know.
Okay, that's ball, arrow, window, doll. So doll, doll. Let's do it. Doll. Perfect. And next one is S. See? Sun.
Check.
No. Okay, check. Okay, this one. Sun. Perfect. Ball. Slow down, honey. Okay, perfect. Window. Perfect. Very good.